Well, good afternoon, everyone. We're glad that you're here for the 3 o'clock Junior Chef Championship. We came up with this idea several years ago in order to feature opportunities of people who we think are going to be our next TV celebrities as part of those experiences. Young people who are junior chefs and aspire to do something like that in our contest.
This will be my 4th year in this competition.
I've done about 2 of them.
Yeah, 2 years now.
We're going to begin today by asking our judges to go over and take a look at the table. We have 10 entries today. We're excited about that. Most of the people who do this contest, if not all, have a creative side and an ability to do marvelous things, far beyond often what adults do in a contest. What we want to do is to let you shine and to be that kind of person.
This year my grandma showed me this dessert. It's a pavlova. It's a very sensitive dessert, so if you top it too early before you have it, then it'll just melt and collapse. So it's very important to serve it right away.
Well, I started this year with apple cider donuts, and I've just kind of always loved the fall vibe coated desserts. So my family always goes apple picking in the fall, and we get these special kind of apples that we make cider with, and then that cider gets all concentrated, and then we put that into the donuts.
I brought molasses cookies. I made them because molasses is sticky, and I love molasses cookies. And they're just really good with the taste, and the texture is really fine, and it's really moist.
I'm watching my granddaughter's cake be judged today. She had to leave to go to dance, but she likes chocolate and peanut butter, and that's what she put in her cake.
Stompin' Mad Oreo muffins, and I made them because I thought they would be nice. I like the Oreos in them. I like having the Oreos.
What's it been like sitting here waiting for them to get judged?
Tough.
Judging today will be 65%. That will be on flavor and taste. Creative chef twist appearance of 30 points, and a written story each one will be providing, and there'll be a 5% choice on that.
It's pretty nerve-wracking not knowing what they're saying and trying to decide if it's good feedback or bad or what they think.
Well, every time I see it go from judge to judge, I think, I get excited. It's fun. It's fun.
So are you in this to win or just for fun?
I think I'm in to win, but also for fun.
I'm kind of trying to win it. I've been trying to get more into the culinary world, so trying to step up.
I always try to win, but if I don't, it's still a good experience.